In this video, I will cover the topic on set representation. A set representation is the writing way of a set. There are two ways to write a set. Number one is the tabular form or roster form, and number two is the set builder form. In tabular form, the elements of a set are listed within braces and are separated by commas. For example, the set of vowels in the English alphabet is written as the elements are A, E, I, O and U, and these elements are listed in between the braces and are separated by the commas. And similarly, the set of first 5 natural numbers is written as since the first 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so we write these elements within braces and each element is separated by a comma. In set builder form, the properties of the set are stated using mathematical symbols. We do not write all of the elements in this form. A variable x is specified for the elements of the set. It is not necessary to use only x, you can use y, z or any lowercase letter. Now I will write the previous example in set builder form. Like tabular form, the braces are used in this form as well. Now we will use x for all of the elements of this set. We will write x and then we will use colon, which means such that x belongs to n. We will write the property of the elements. Since the elements are natural numbers, so we will specify the property here. X belongs to n and x is less than equal to 5. So this set is read as the set of all x such that x belongs to n and x is less than equals to 5. It means this is the set of first 5 natural numbers. Now this is the set of all solutions of this equation. This is the set of all x such that x is a letter in the word innocent. In tabular form, this set is written as although the tabular form is quite easy, but set builder form is more convenient because sometimes it is not possible to list all of the elements of a set. So the set builder form is used in that case. For example, it is not possible to write all of the elements of this set, that is the set of all 2 by 2 matrices with determinant 1. But we can make a general form of this set using the set builder form as please like and share my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and set the bell icon to all. Thank you so much for watching my video.